An archaeologist is the best husband a woman can have. The older she gets, the more interested he is in her. The impossible could not have happened, therefore the impossible must be possible in spite of appearances. If you place your head in a lion's mouth, then you cannot complain one day if he happens to bite it off. Instinct is a marvelous thing. It can neither be explained nor ignored. The best time for planning a book is while you're doing the dishes. One doesn't recognize the really important moments in one's life until it's too late. Never do anything yourself that others can do for you. It is really a hard life. Men will not be nice to you if you are not good looking, and women will not be nice to you if you are. Never tell all you know, not even to the person you know best. The young people think the old people are fools, but the old people know the young people are fools. Time is the best killer. In the midst of life, we are in death. The truth, however ugly in itself, is always curious and beautiful to seekers after it. But surely, for everything you love, you have to pay some price. Good advice is always certain to be ignored, but that's no reason not to give it. Everything must be taken into account. If the act will not fit the theory, let the theory go. To every problem, there is a most simple solution. Every murderer is probably somebody's old friend. I do not argue with obstinate men, I act in spite of them. Everyone is a potential murderer. In everyone there arises, from time to time, the wish to kill, though not the will to kill. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. If you are to be Hercule Poirot, you must think of everything. I often wonder why the whole world is prone to generalize. Generalizations are seldom, if ever, true, and are usually utterly inaccurate. One of the luckiest things that can happen to you in life is to have a happy childhood. To rush into explanations is always a sign of weakness.